Yeah, welcome back, everyone. We're gonna actually be changing out spark plugs. I have about 44,000 miles, and I think you don't really need to change spark plugs until like 60 to 80. But I'm just gonna do this because it's pretty cheap. So
And
I'll show you guys.
preventative maintenance. What is up, YouTube? It's your boy Just Stone.
Oh, bringing it back.
Right back to it.
That's exactly what we're gonna be changing it to. Ruthenium HX.
How do y'all say that?
I have.
Ruthenium.
I'm gonna Google it. But yeah, I ordered these from JSR Engines, and they actually sent me some candy. So shout out to them. I'm pretty sure they also pre-grabbed these. You can also double check it too. And yeah, we're just gonna show you guys how to install spark plugs for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R.
Alright guys, so it's not just for the Type R as well. Spark plugs are like, you can do like any 4-cylinder where it's like lined up like this or in line. It's all pretty easy to do. So this is just like also a generalized thing. Spark plugs is something really easy you could do yourself. 30-minute job, an hour job if you've never like worked on cars like that before. But it's really simple. You just find the coil packs, take them out. Spark plugs are right in there. Loosen them up, pull them out, and job's just done like that. All right, guys. So for the Type R, and I think most Japanese vehicles or JDM vehicles, I'm pretty sure it's mostly a 10 mil holding the coil packs in. So you basically just loosen up the bolt that holds in the coil pack. And then you also want to take the clips off that's, powering the coil packs. These, sometimes a little bit more of a struggle because, I'm just not good with clips in general. But this, you might want to take this out of the way just to have a little more room and space. But you also might not have to. We shall see.
Mind you, if you have a Type R, you will probably most likely have the engine cover. I decided to take mine off. I don't really care for the Type R cover. So yeah, makes things a little bit more quicker in a sense.
Alright guys, so for the first one, what I did was I just took the bolt out so you could lift it up and move it a little bit. Then I unclipped it, and then now she should just come right out. And something you want to check is if there's oil on the bottom of your coil pack. If there is, you can tell that it is a bad valve cover. But yeah, this one's clean. So valve cover on the front is good. For the back,
Number 1 is clean.
you always want to keep them numbered as well. Like make sure this goes right where it should be. All right, guys. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take this top piece off. It's the same 10 mil bolt right here, and then this, you just push this towards you, and then lift it up, and then play with it a little, and it'll come out. Very easy.
All right, so like we said earlier, every time you pull out a coil pack, you just want to inspect it. This is the first one already, but as you can see, there's like a little bit of rust building up here, but it's not too crazy. I've seen on the forums where from the OEM Type R hood, that water will get into these, and like some people's coil packs are really bad, like really badly rusted. Keep an eye out on that.
All right, guys. So we had to make the drive to my house because I had all the extensions in the ratchet at my house.
This mother was hoarding all the extension.
I had to fix the ECT on the Z, and that whole thing is all the way in the back over here. So I needed every extension known to mankind just to replace that.
We were doing it in the garage, and we were like, bruh.
We don't have the extension.
I was like,
so
all
we
right,
had to make a little drive. I put it all back
everything
together,
back.
but it's quick. It's okay. So now that we're here, just a 6-inch and a 3-inch, or a 9-inch extension, and then the socket goes right in here. Crack her loose, and she should come right out. All right, guys. So here it is. It's not that bad looking, to be honest. No oil on it, so valve cover's still good. Still got the gasket on it too. And see, that's where it ignites. A little burnt right there, but this is overall not the worst at all.
Oh yeah, he got it. Yes, sir. Second one.
Same condition.
Not bad.
3, not bad.
Not bad.
They all look the same. I'm gonna first try this one.
You think you got it? Make sure it's locked in.
I thought.
All right, so the left one is the new one. Right one is the old one. That thing clean.
This one a little burnt. Still not that bad though.
All right, so now we're gonna do the same thing, reinstall it, and then
Just reverse order, you know.
reverse order it, and then torque it down to spec,
Torque it
and then
down 100 foot-pound.
torque it down to No, I'm just kidding. Don't really do that.
Don't do that.
Don't do that.
There we go. I'm gonna give it a little baby turn, right? All right. And that should be good enough. Don't want to go too tight. Also, don't want to leave it loose though. So that should be good. Gluten tight.
Second one going in. Around the world.
All right, guys. I got all of them in now. Now you just reverse the process. Coil pack by coil pack. I'm gonna start with this because it's, you know, just cause.
Just cause.
Just cause. And then you just pray she starts right back up.
I'm gonna start it up. It's gonna sound like. Gas mileage start going down.
Oh my God.
Bruh.
Damn. Hold on. I got a cave diver friend to do that for me.
All right, so we finished completing everything. All the spark plugs are in. All the connections are tight. In. Coil packs, good.
We hope.
We hope. So yeah,
Let's see the startup now.
We're gonna start it up.
Well, she started up, so.
Hell yeah, smooth like a baby.
Bro, where did that box go?
Bro, when we were joking about cave diving for real,
we might actually have to go cave diving for that box now.
Bro, half my bumper is gone.
And it's still not there.
It's not under the car anywhere. Just the most clapped out. Just the most clapped out Type R.
Oh yeah,
on YouTube
two
now.
clapped out cars. Oh yeah.
The syringe with the clapped out cars.
Can't build nothing right.
That ass. I'm sick of this. All right, guys, that's it for changing out spark plugs for my 2021 Honda Civic Type R. I do got a lip on the way. Unfortunately, it's not the Varus lip, but it's the EPR lip. I couldn't justify spending $2,000 for the actual, just the Varus lip alone. For the Varus bumper with the lip is $3,000. It made no sense for me to just buy the underlip for like $2,000. So I just went with EPR. It's like $600 shipped out. I don't know how long that's gonna take for it to come in, but when it does, then I'll start getting the bumper repaired with the lip installed also. But yeah, that was one of my main reasoning of going with the EPR was I couldn't justify spending $2,000, waiting 8 months for it. I don't think I could stand looking at this bumper for 8 months. So that's why I made the decision to just buy the rep EPR. And on top of what happened if my hits another curb or something too, I'm not gonna cry out another $2,000 again. So you know what? Here, this is it.
Yep.
A learning lesson. I already bought the real stuff. It's in the trunk actually. I could show you guys. So yeah, here's the Varus lip or what's left of it. I mean, I've ran the authentic piece before. Do I want to cry again later down in life? No. So yeah, EPR lip it is for now. And I don't know if I want to go full authentic Varus or buy like the EPR wide body Varus style kit, just in case a situation like this were ever to happen again, or if like someone hits me, you know. I don't know. I get it. I get it's pay to play, but like, man, it's heartbreaking. For those of you who have stayed through the entire spark plug video, shout out to you guys. I'm gonna let you in on what's to come. Your boy just recently ordered the Jay's Racing valve cover. So when that comes in, I'm gonna bring it to my mechanic and he's gonna install that. My valve cover has been leaking. Every time I've done an oil change, I notice underneath the car where the rear motor mount sits, there's like oily residue on it, right? I low-key thought it was the rear motor mount that was leaking grease or something like that, but I have the 271 race version, so it's like hard. It's basically like a hard material, so there's no way grease should be leaking out of that. When I brought it to my mechanic, I had him look at it and he was basically saying that the valve cover on the rear engine was basically leaking down onto the rear motor mount, and it's getting like pretty bad every time I've done an oil change. And now I actually know what it is, so yeah, I'm just waiting on that to come in and then I can give it to my mechanic to have him install that. Also purchased something else for the car that I don't think I've seen a lot of Type R owners have ran. So I'm excited for that. That should be coming in next week. After it comes in next week though, I still gotta wait for the EPR Vera style lip to come in before I could get the whole front end of the car fixed. Cause right now it's so ugly to look at. And like, after that whole incident too, bro, like my fender lining got messed up underneath the car. There's like a tray. It's not the aluminum tray where you have to take out to do an oil change. It's like basically where the fog lights sit. There's like a whole plastic piece that literally looks like the shape of the front end of the car, but it's not a lip at all. It's like an under tray for the lip or something like that. That thing is in my trunk right now, and I don't know if the body shop will need that or if I will need to purchase a new one, because I don't know if you could reuse that. So I don't know, it's just in the car. So whenever I get all those pieces in, I can bring it to him and then have him try his best to like put everything back together. I'm hoping to get this car fixed by like, I don't know, I want to attend car shows and stuff, right? But I don't want to bring the Type R to car shows and like car meets with the front end looking like that. So I've been really stressing lately about how the car's been sitting, how it's been looking right now, but like there's not much more I can do right now than to just wait for the parts to roll in, and then I can finally get things going. On top of bringing it to the body shop, it's probably gonna take a week, maybe even longer for them to like get everything all situated and sitting right, so who knows. I'm praying by like April, end of April, early-ish May, I'm hoping everything will be all fixed and stuff, so I could just cruise around in the summer and just like relax finally and not have to stress out about all this car stuff. Go back to our regular schedule of buying car parts to not fix things, to actually upgrade things. I just wanted to let you guys know that things are going on in the background, and I hope you guys aren't losing faith in me or the channel. Your boy still got a lot of stuff to do to the car. I haven't even touched like the engine. I haven't even touched performance mods yet. So there's still a lot more to do. Stock ECU. I got the Honda Flash Pro. I've said that last year, bro. Last year I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have the car tuned, full bolt-ons. I don't know about full bolt-ons, but I was like, I'm gonna have it tuned, ECU unlocked in like April, and I said that like last year. But then like things changed to where I think I was going more of a cosmetic route. So I got the Vera's hood. I mean, I easily could have tuned it with the amount of money I spent with the Vera's hood. But yeah, I just sort of switched directions. But after this car gets fixed and we can go back to our regular like schedule of not having to buy things to fix the car, then yeah, I'm pretty sure we can go on the route to tuning, installing an intercooler, you know, doing all that extra fun stuff to make the car go super fast or quick. That's it from me for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a like, comment any questions you guys have, and don't forget to subscribe to your boy to not miss out on more future content. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.